Does your PC hit a blue screen right on the very first boot? Don't panic. Before you think your system is dead, let's walk through quick fixes that can bring it back to life. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to fix blue screen errors appearing during the very first boot. Let's get started. Method 1. Run a startup repair. When you get a blue screen of death error, run a startup repair first. A startup repair scans and repairs the files that are needed to boot your operating system. So before you try any advanced method, perform a startup repair. Here is how to perform a startup repair on Windows 11. Use a bootable device to boot into your PC. When Windows logo appears on the computer screen, select Repair Your Computer. This will lead you to Advanced Startup Recovery menu. From here, select Troubleshoot. From the next window, choose Advanced Options, then select Startup Repair. Now the repair process will be initiated. Once done repairing, restart your PC. If you see the BSOD error again, enter safe mode and then perform the rest of the solutions to fix the issue. Method 2. Enter safe mode. When you cannot boot into Windows normally, enter safe mode. Safe mode boots into Windows with minimal functionalities and specifically detects the root cause of the problem. Here is how to enter safe mode. Open the advanced options following the above method. Next, choose Startup Settings, then select Restart. Now press the F5 key to enter safe mode with the networking option. Once Windows boot into safe mode, perform the next solutions. Method 3. Rebuildbcd. You can use bootrec.exe tool available for recovery to rebuild BCD. Here is how to do so. Open an elevated command prompt window, copy and paste these commands one after another and hit enter after each command. If you get access denied, you can just ignore and continue. Once you have executed all the commands, exit the CMD window and restart your PC. This should fix the BCD error. Method 4. Perform a clean boot. Press Windows plus R keys to launch Run utility. Enter msconfig in the Run command box and hit Enter. The system configuration window will now open. Select the Services tab and check the box right beside Hide All Microsoft Services. Click on Disable All option. This will stop all the programs that are running in the background except the Microsoft services. Close the window and right-click on your taskbar. Click on Task Manager. Next, click on the Startup tab and right-click on the programs you want to disable. Click the Disable option. After finishing the process, restart your PC. If you get the error, perform a system restore. Method 5. Perform a system restore. If you have an already created system restore point before getting the BSOD error, then revert to it. If you do not have such system restore point, then skip the step and go to the next solution. Here are the steps for a system restore. Type Control Panel in the Windows search menu and choose the top option. Select the recovery option as shown below. From the next options, choose Open System Restore and click on the next button. Choose a preferred restore point and click Next. Finish the process by clicking on the Finish button. Method 6. Run a SFC and DISM scan. Open an elevated command prompt window and run these commands. Press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This may take several minutes. Once finished, run DISM. Execute this command in the elevated command prompt window. Wait for each scan to complete. Method 7. Reinstall faulty device drivers. Due to outdated device drivers, you can get BSOD errors. So update the outdated device drivers and see if this can fix the issue. Here is how to update the device drivers. Right-click on Start menu and click on Device Manager. Expand the device drivers and check if there is any yellow exclamation mark beside any device driver. This yellow exclamation mark indicates that the device driver is outdated. Right-click on the device driver and select the Update Driver option. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish updating the driver. Repeat the process till you update all the outdated drivers. Once the drivers are updated, restart your PC and see if this could fix the BSOD error. If the error again appears on the screen, reinstall the device drivers. For that, right-click on the device driver and select Uninstall Device option. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. Restart your system and the drivers will get automatically installed. Method 8. Run a chkdsk scan. Open an elevated command prompt window. Copy and paste this command in the elevated command prompt window and hit Enter. In this command, C stands for your drive letter, so replace it accordingly. Method 9. Make sure your PC is not overheated. Overheating of your PC can also result in BSOD error. So, check that your CPU fans are clean and running properly. The CPU should not be overheated. You can install more than one fan if needed. This will help you to keep both the system cool. Stop overclocking if you have done it to boost up the gaming performance. Overclocking your PC can overheat the system and even can damage the internal hardware. So make sure that your PC is not overheated and causing the error. Method 10. Check for any hardware issue. Check if you are hearing any unusual sound coming from your system or your RAM is not faulty and is in the proper slot. Make sure to check all the power cables attached to your system. You must replace or fix if you detect any problematic hardware and reboot your system. Method 11. Disable fast startup feature. By enabling the fast startup feature, you can boot your PC faster. But this feature interferes with the shutdown or restarting process, then you can get errors. So disable the startup feature and this can fix the problem. To do so, follow the steps as given. Press Win+R keys on your keyboard to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste the following command in the Run dialog box and press the Enter key. From the displayed window, click on Choose What Power Buttons Do option. Select Change Settings that are currently unavailable under the Define Power Buttons and turn on password protection. Uncheck or deselect the box for Turn on the Fast Startup and click on the Save Changes button. After finishing the steps, restart your computer. Method 12. Update BIOS. If you are using an outdated version of the BIOS, then also you can get BSOD errors like this. So update your BIOS and check if this can resolve the issue. As each BIOS differs for each motherboard, so it is advised to visit the manufacturer's official website and follow the guide to update your BIOS. And that's it. Your PC should now boot without those dreaded blue screen interruptions. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech fixes. Still facing startup crashes or another Windows glitch? Drop a comment below. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next one.